Oxford Read and Imagine. Level Beginner. A Rainy Day by Paul Shipton. Read by Carla Hendrick. Published in copyright Oxford University Press, 2014.
Hello. My name is Rosie. Hello. My name is Ben. This is Grandpa.
Hello. Now let's read this story. A Rainy Day.
Let's play a board game, says Ben. No, says Rosie. Let's go to the park. We can't play in the park, says Ben. It's rainy today. Look.
Rosie looks at the rain. She's sad. Grandpa and Clunk are here.
I have a new machine, children,
says Grandpa. Clunk the robot has the new machine in his hands. There is a wheel on the machine. Grandpa turns the wheel to sunny.
Look out the window,
he says to Ben and Rosie.
It isn't rainy,
says Rosie.
It's sunny. We can go to the park.
The children run and play in the park. Then Rosie says,
Let's play with the kite. We can't fly the kite,
says Ben.
It isn't windy.
Clunk turns the wheel on the machine to windy.
Thank you, Clunk,
says Rosie. The kite goes up. And the ball goes up. It hits the machine. The wheel turns and turns. It doesn't stop. It is sunny. Then it is cloudy. There is rain. Then there is snow.
My machine,
says Grandpa. The children are in the house. Rosie looks at the rain.
I like playing board games,
she says. Picture dictionary. Ball. Board game. Children. Cloudy. Fly. Hands. House. Kite. Machine. Park. Rain. Rainy. Robot. Run. Sad. Snow.
sunny. Turn. Up. Wheel. Window. Windy.